Up here, live in the booth, doing the damn thing. DJ Lightning Rod on the ones and two, providing the hot shit. We got my man Mike from Throw It in the Game Records, providing the venue. This is how it goes down, man. If I got somebody else in the booth,
like this. I done got the weed in my system. Now it's on, kid. Let me show you how I do it, buddy. How I left in the grip. Cause niggas chasing me, feel this shit. You got to understand the bricks is kinda nasty, dog. How we walk through the streets and we packing the raw. We don't even sell dope, we don't even touch weed. We just slang mad raw all through the street. With this ball nigga, I will flip a climax quick. Have your girl rubbing the pussy. Climax.
Hey, got my nigga here from Black TV, man, we showing no fear. You out here live broadcasting with Lil Phil, holla, man, shit, that's what's up. Soon as you turn around, that's what's up. Soon as I drop the plaques went up. Soon as I hit the lead, stacks went up. I do money like Lego, stack shit up. I'm focused now, I know this how the game try to hold you down. You lanes can't go 2 rounds in the ring with the knockout king. For Dolo, Philly knockout teams, I won't stop the ice pop out rings. Fatty chain, hang dangle and swing, make a bitch ice pop out. Jeez, get out the way, kids, watch out please. Know it's my time to shine when you see the watch pop out sleeves. When you see the team pop out V's with pretty feet, size 22, tennis shoes just like Shaq. Smash on them legs just like that. I'ma smoke this blunt, freak my mouth and sip this yak. Hey, motherfucker don't stop. Lil Philly off the top, man, tipping on top. Man, I drop fucking flows that shot. And niggas acting like they is, but they know they not. Hold up, I'm cold, and I'm rolled up off that Sprite. Lil Philly got to live my life. Gotta shine every day. When I come through, I'm shining bright. Nevertheless, man, I'm riding right. Motherfucker, look. Mike Shine, Black TV, motherfucker, out here with my nigga Philly B.
So the game, nigga, I like head, I love head, nigga, but I don't love no hoes. I'm letting you know I'm like a bumble snow. Hold on, man. Hold on. Change the beat. Change the beat.
Ain't nothing gon' change, I jump in the game if it's hot there. Something gon' rain. I'm talking bullets that'll leave your mama hung in your brain. I'm loving the pain. I'm people niggas tucking they chain. My lyrics go in and out, so I'm fucking your brain. Excuse my language. I'm trying to tell these dudes I'm dangerous. Think not I introduce you to this dude named Stainless. Every who's the dudes I hang with, my niggas don't cop tools. Just to prove we ain't it. We savages, y'all amateurs. Man, these niggas couldn't damage us if this was basketball. Man, these niggas couldn't handle us. These niggas just like bitches always ride the dick. Okay, if you don't stop hitting, I'ma put 5 in your bitch or 6 shots. From the 6 shot, you can get your click rock. What y'all think y'all cash money talking about your click hot? Wanna keep it real? I don't think y'all ready. Meet in the field and watch you go down like Nelly. I give you 2 weeks notice just to get in focus. Don't come prepared and don't get stoned like roaches. I'm focused, not worried, and keep this in mind. I bust through competition like a defensive line. You can't stop me, homeboy, you better hope to contain. I can roll if you complain, I'ma have to complain. Don't think for once it's just gonna be an exhibition. If so, then fuck it. What you really want with a nigga? The spray gang, the banger, the big man in front of me with the can banger. That niggas better watch out, Sonny, the head banger. Every time I fill a microphone, it's gotta be a head banger. The freestyle, old boys about to mix in. Chop the screw, I'm ripping. Niggas better listen. This is how I get down, Gunny. It's been a long time since I've been a cypher of thugs that like to spit rhymes. Been a long time, I'm tired of battling myself. Every mirror that I rip, the shit shatters from the wealth. I can't help it, Gunny, how my pocket's about to blow the fuck up. Might threw me in the game, nigga, what's the fuck up? If anybody got some problems, what they wanna say, please don't come through the door, I'll boys watch what you say. I ain't even on the hill street, but I understand beats. I understand how these niggas hustle in these fucking streets.
Yeah, fuck with these niggas out here, you be dead when you stand at. Empty your clip in your head where it land at, and tell your boys don't be no hero, or they'll be in your hood, pulling out dead people like Ground Zero. You can't fuck with the one dot. We take over and run blocks. When the gun pop, your lungs stop. We not hot, we Cajun. Guns raising and blazing for the occasion. That'll make you a hospital patient, and y'all haters I shall avoid. Cause the way I push weight, probably thought the boy was on steroids. Now I don't know why y'all talking to me, cause I snatch you out your whip like Grand Theft Auto 3. And I'ma show y'all maximum pain when I'm chopping and bagging the cane. Every sound I'm hearing, I'm cocking and grabbing the thing, rocking and bashing your brain, stopping and popping some pain in your frame. The game done changed. Now I don't know who y'all following now. When Hollow's in town, either you bow down or you swallowing rounds. Fuck the dumb shit I come with, niggas I run with and bust guns with, and specialize in 400s. Get dope in abundance, your flow's redundant. When my gun spit, shells spread in the hundreds. You can see me on black TV, fuck around the pack of Mac 3. Y'all niggas get clapped for free. Nigga, what? Freestyle shit. Fuck it in my meanwhile, nigga. My freestyle shit be the hottest, and I'm the modest. And dog with my click in town. Click the pound, distribute you for your whipping crown. With your 2-bit click around, you get hit with rounds repeatedly till you hit the ground. Zip the sound of the body bag. You hear the beat is bad, coming through and killing your dad and your moms too. Cause I'm coming through with a homicidal flow. Y'all niggas don't know. Fuck it, y'all falling like dominoes. Y'all niggas is so fucking like the death. Put a slug in your chest, body shape from right to left. Ha.